DP Escuela Homework 2, how to do this. All right, on page 1, it says write the name of the item and the school subject for which you might use it in the appropriate column below. So right here, you have to look, it says ¿qué es? That means what is it? So look at the picture, that looks like a Spanish book. So I'm going to put book or Spanish book in Spanish, obviously. And then it says ¿para qué clase? For what class? Well, that one would probably be Spanish class, la clase de español. So here you would write libro or el libro de español. Probably helps if I move that. And then over here, you would write, what class is it for? La clase de español. Just like that. If you need to, you can shift the boxes so that it all fits. So that's what you're doing for all of these. Then let me get rid of these answers so that everybody else doesn't have the answer automatically there. Now it says part B. Now remember, if you can't ever see, always zoom, and that'll help you out quite a bit. It says now unscramble the letters in each word below to find out what classes you have today and what you need to bring to school. So here we have E with an accent mark, ILSGN. Again, if it's too small, you can always zoom in. And if I undo those, I'm going to find out pretty quickly. Well, first, I could just look at the E with an accent mark, and if I look at my page, there aren't very many that have that, so I can narrow it down that way. Or I can just kind of look at the letters, and I'm seeing probably INGLES. Yep, that's going to be inglés. So that is talking about la clase de inglés. Now, oops. I undid too much. So that is for this section where you have to figure out what it is, unscramble it, and put it there. Now, page 2. This one says, your friend Marcos is curious about what classes you like and what ones you don't like. Answer his questions using adjectives that we've learned in this section. So, it says, ¿Te gusta la clase de matemáticas? The sentence starter tells you what direction you're going. Well, first, let's figure out what it's asking. ¿Te gusta la clase de matemáticas? Do you like math class? Whether or not you like it or not, you have to follow whatever they say here. So this person started it with C, so we have to say something positive about it because you're saying that you do like it. So this person said, yes, it is interesting. Es interesante. So that's what you're going to do. You're going to come up with some kind of a statement afterwards. So if this one says, ¿Te gusta la clase de tecnología? Do you like technology class? It says sí, so we have to say something positive. We could say that it is fun. That is one of our new words. To say it is, es, and then one of our new words for fun is divertido. So that's not too bad. Es divertido. If you thought it was practical, it's something that you can use, then you can put es práctico. You have lots to choose from. You can use, obviously, any of the phrases that we've learned before this chapter, if it's relevant and makes sense, but that's all you're doing for that last page. All right, that was the DP Escuela Homework 2.